Hi, I'm Francois Trahan from the Macro Institute, one of Wall Street's premier macro boutiques. I have exciting news to share with you. We're making our Essentials of Applied Macro course available free of charge for academia. Our objective is to make this a turnkey experience for you, and the goal is to bring cutting-edge macro investment techniques into your classroom. If you choose to teach this program, here's what you can expect from us. First, we'll provide you with a personalized login to our online Canvas platform. This gives you full access to the entire content of the Macro Specialist Designation program, offering you the full context behind everything you will be teaching. Now, let's talk curriculum. We've designed an introductory course that's both comprehensive and flexible. It kicks off with a powerful lesson on why macro matters, and then dives into 15 core lessons that will seamlessly fit into a 12-week academic semester. We've also structured the content to be adaptable, so it can easily accommodate shorter or longer class durations depending on your needs. These lessons cover the essential investment concepts that are critical to students to become savvy, macro-literate investors. Plus, you'll have the flexibility to explore other content from the full program that you might feel is valuable, as you'll have complete access to everything on Canvas. But that's not all. We're providing you with 3 comprehensive binders packed with all 15 lessons, plus one carefully selected outside reading for each lesson. We call these essential reads. They include articles, academic papers, or sometimes book chapters that will deepen your students' understanding of the core content, and the goal, of course, is to broaden their perspectives. The binders include teaching notes that highlight key takeaways for each slide of the program, as well as additional content suggestions if you're looking to expand on any topic. Speaking of video lessons, each of the 15 lessons comes with a short 10 to 15 minute teach-in video featuring me, where I'll walk you through the most important points and share how I teach this material to Wall Street professionals in our executive education program. Throughout the semester, my team and I will be available for hands-on learning support and Q&A, because we want to ensure that this is the best possible experience for both you and your students. And to add a little fun, we'll also send some exclusive Macro Institute swag for your students. Think pens and baseball caps, stuff that always gets a warm reception in our professional programs. At the end of the semester, students will have the opportunity to sit for an exam. If they pass, they'll earn the first level of the Professional Macro Specialist Designation. The exam is administered through Pearson VUE, the same global testing center used for industry certifications, like the FINRA Series 7 exams, for instance. The cost for the exam is approximately $70, an investment in professional development that offers real-world value. But here's the best part. Students who pass the exam will be eligible to post their resumes on our website, where they'll gain visibility with our institutional clients. Plus, they'll be able to sign up for the second half of the program at a discount and earn the full Macro Specialist Designation on their own time. Our mission is simple: to make this experience flexible, enriching, and valuable for both you and your students. If you have any questions, reach out to my colleague Mark Vieira, and we'll help you get started. Let's make macro investing come alive in your classroom.